Hey there, home cooks! Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in kitchen gadget cooking tips. If you're looking for the best air fryers in 2025, you've come to the right place. We know how overwhelming it can be to choose the perfect air fryer with so many options out there. Today, I'll be counting down my top 5 air fryers that you absolutely must check out. These picks are based on performance, features, and user reviews. So, let's get started. Get ready to discover the air fryer that will revolutionize your cooking experience. Coming in at number 5 is the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer. This versatile and compact model is a game changer in the kitchen. It's perfect for small families or those with limited counter space. Thanks to its even crisp technology, your food gets that perfect crispy finish every time. Whether you're making fries, chicken wings, or veggies, the results are always delicious. Plus, with customizable cooking functions, it's ideal for those who love experimenting with different recipes. You can air fry, roast, bake, and reheat with ease. Next up, at number 4, is the COSORI Pro 5-quart air fryer. If you're on a budget but don't want to compromise on quality, this one's for you. It's affordable yet packed with features that make cooking a breeze. It features an intuitive touchscreen and 360 degrees rapid air circulation, ensuring even cooking and crispy results. The touchscreen is user-friendly and makes setting the time and temperature a snap. Perfect for those quick weeknight dinners. You can whip up a meal in no time, making it a great option for busy families. Our number 3 pick is the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL. This one's all about capacity and healthy cooking. It's perfect for larger families or those who love to entertain. With its fat reduction technology and consistent cooking results, it's perfect for feeding a crowd while keeping things on the healthier side. You can enjoy your favorite fried foods with less guilt. No more soggy fries, just perfectly cooked meals every time. The Philips Air Fryer XXL ensures that your food is crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Sliding into number 2 is the Foodi DualZone Air Fryer. This innovative design features 2 independent baskets, allowing you to cook 2 different dishes simultaneously. It's like having 2 air fryers in one. Imagine whipping up some crispy chicken wings and perfectly roasted veggies at the same time. The possibilities are endless with this DualZone feature. Dinner has never been this efficient and delicious. You can save time and energy by cooking multiple dishes at once. And finally, the top spot goes to the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. This is the ultimate choice for any serious home cook. It's not just an air fryer, it's a multifunctional kitchen powerhouse. With advanced precision cooking, multiple functionalities, and exceptional build quality, it's like having a mini professional kitchen right on your countertop. You can air fry, bake, roast, and even dehydrate with this versatile appliance. From air frying to baking and broiling, this appliance does it all. It's perfect for those who want to take their cooking to the next level. So there you have it, my top 5 air fryers for 2025. Each of these models offers something unique, catering to different needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for versatility, budget-friendly options, or the ultimate cooking machine, there's something here for everyone. Make sure to choose the one that best fits your lifestyle and cooking habits. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking! We hope this guide helps you find the perfect air fryer for your kitchen. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more cooking tips and product reviews. Stay tuned for more exciting content.